How to fix iPhone stuck on black screen. If your iPhone is stuck in a black screen, then to solve it, first of all, you have to do force restart your device. To do force restart, you have to follow three steps. The first one is press the volume up, the second one is press the volume down button, and the third one is keep pressing the side button. Once you do these three steps really quick, then you will see Apple logo option. Then you have to simply restart your device and your device will start working. If this doesn't help, then make sure that to connect your iPhone device to laptop and transfer all of your data and show your mobile to repairing center. This is the only way to fix this iPhone stuck on black screen issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.